Hey guys, it's Wild Boy BMXer, and today I'm going to be doing a bike check, as you see. So I got a whole new setup. You know, she's pretty dialed, you know. She's a fruitcake also, you know. It's a great bike, as you see, and I'm going to do a bike check. So starting off at the top, I got the Sunday Broadcaster bars. With the stem, I got the TDFL stem, Odyssey. Never slipped on me yet. It's really good. With the headset, Odyssey headset, polished, spins real good. Never slipped on me not slipped on me, never creaked, so it's good. Odyssey R32 Forks, amazing forks, but they bent here, as you see, from doing crank arm grinds. Tires in the front and back are the Animal GLH tires. Amazing tires. I have no complaint whatsoever. Now the most Gucciest part on my bike is the front wheel. It's a Gsport roll cage, some Primo Spokes, BSD hub street, and with the front hub guard I got the Daily Grind hub guard, and then just front peg is a custom peg which my dad made for me. It's good. Chromoly. Now going on to the center, I got the Odyssey Thunderbolt cranks. A bit beat up, but you know, they're really good. Got the twisted PC pedals. Odyssey bottom bracket. I don't know, I think I blew it because whenever I pedal it does creak. Now let's turn it around. Got the Odyssey $1 Million Sprocket. Amazing sprocket, I highly recommend it, but if you do run a half link chain, they do like make marks on the side, but no, it's a good chain. Sprocket. Chain is the Odyssey Bluebird chain. I don't recommend it. I snapped it 2 times and the pins come loose, so I have to always adjust it. Now going on to the seat clamp, it's an Odyssey seat clamp. No, it's good. I got the Odyssey convertible seat post. I love it because it kind of like brings your seat back, and you know, it's good. Now I've got the Odyssey Gary Young seat. I don't like it. I don't recommend it because it gives you rashes, and I don't know, it's not that good. Now back tire, GLH tire. Now the back wheel, it's a Colt Match Complete wheel. It's really good. Got the Colt Match hub, Colt Match rim with the Primo Spokes, I believe, or Colt Spokes. It's a really loud hub. I'll give you a hub sound. So yeah, that's pretty much my whole bike. Oh, and I got the grips. They are some Merritt Charlie Crumlish grips. You know, they're really good, but they do wear out pretty fast. I already got a hole here. It's not that good, but I'm also running some Colt grips on here, so they protect my bars. So that's pretty much my bike. Weighs roughly 24 pounds, not that heavy, not too light. I will be running 4 pegs soon. I'm just waiting for hub guards. That's pretty much my bike, so if you found this video interesting, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. So thanks for watching, and peace.